Okay guys, if you want to win 38,000 ringgit cash here, alright, go to this website that we put there and buy these products from the 12 teams that participate in Evo Enduro this year. Alright, and then the grand prize will be
a Proton X70.
Yep, and this is the first prize. 38,000 ringgit cash. Of course, if you want like that also.
Dua orang boleh menang 38,000 ringgit.
Yes.
And then another 10 person will win
8,000 ringgit.
8,000. Ni kita masuk.
You nak X70 ke you nak wang tunai?
X70.
Grand prize makan.
Tapi kalau ada tunai pun kita okey juga.
Tapi kalau you ada disuruh family you sekali lah, adik-beradik apa semua, so seorang boleh menang X70, seorang menang wang tunai.
Bagus. Lagi best. Lagi best.
Okay, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3. Kenapa you tak start?
Saya hitung macam ni, Cina punya style.
Uyuh. Okay. 5,
5,
6.
Ini sampai bila pun tak habis, bos?
7,
7, 8,
9,
9, 10.
Kenapa you nak? 11.
Why you 12, 11?
23.
3,
24.
4,
25.
5,
Sini.
6,
Mati loh.
27.
20.
27.
Wawasan. 20.
20 untuk kau.
20 untuk kau.
20 untuk aku.
Ini untuk kau.
Oh, yay!
Okay guys, yep, that's my car. I've been going through some fixes for preparing for Enduro. So tomorrow is the big day. Let me go through a little bit about my car. Okay, it's a 2009 Audi S4. So if it's your first time watching my videos, I mean, you would have seen this for the first time. All right. So we've done all these stickers and all that for in preparation for Evo Enduro tomorrow. Now this 2009 Audi S4 is called the B8 generation. Okay, so Audi actually did a revolutionary change 10 years ago, right? They refreshed all their car models. They have an all-new MMI system. In fact, it was the first time it was called MMI, all right? MMI is an integrated infotainment system, just like BMW's iDrive. It was cutting edge back then. It was advanced back then, but it's been 10 years, all right? So let me tell you the things that my car have. It has sat-nav, which the interface is a pain in the ass to use, and I have no idea how to update the maps anymore. Okay, so because these are from the factory and they are always late in updating the latest road maps and all that, so it's practically useless, the sat-nav. It has Bluetooth, still works fine, alright, the audio is still clear, but it's the first generation kind of Bluetooth integration, which means I can only talk through the phone and nothing else. It cannot do anything else. It cannot play Bluetooth music. It can't do any of that sort. And what else? It has a 6 CD changer. Yes, my car has a 6 CD changer. And radio. Wow! So that's about it. Okay, so back in 2009, even an Audi S4, the top range model of the Audi A4, doesn't even come with a reverse camera. All it has is it's useful, but then when you got used to camera systems, proximity sensors just don't cut it, right? Proximity sensors is like you have an animation of your car and then it will flash red or whatever when you're near to something. That's about it. So in terms of technology, it's considered very, very low tech now. So a lot of you who has bought a used A4 or an Audi or a BMW or a Mercedes-Benz from that generation, from 2009, 2010, 2011 or 12, you might have went ahead and installed this, right? A reverse camera, so that when you reverse, at least you get to see what's going on behind. But today I want to show you something from these guys at DMP Car Design, alright? you can, after you watch the video, you can contact them from their Facebook and Instagram. Alright, this is Daniel.
Hello.
Hi Daniel.
I'm Daniel and I'm from DMP Car Design.
Yep.
And just go to my Facebook and my Instagram. Just tap on DMP Car Design and you can see our profiles and all the cars and all the modes is
Yeah,
there.
and all the products. Okay, you will want to do that. Let me tell you why. Okay, I show you the reverse camera just now, right? Let me show you something else. This is not done in the market. Now, the S4 has a very nice aluminium polished metal side mirror housing, and look at what's this. Alright, if my car doesn't come with reverse camera, why is there a camera on the side? Okay, and let me show you another thing. Now, of course, I've had this crazy bull bar over here, so we decided to mount the front camera down there. If not, it would have been mounted here. Okay, nicely integrated there. Let me show you why. Okay, let's open the car, and a familiar interior until you see that huge screen. Let's come inside here. This is what Daniel is capable of doing. Do you see that? That looks like the new MMI system. Alright, so Daniel's gonna give a quick walkthrough. Oh, look at that. Yes, my car now has 360 camera, and that's epic. Okay, so yes, the cameras on the side mirror, on the front and the back is all integrated into a 360 cam, and Daniel told me that it continuously records.
Yes.
So the 360 footage is being recorded inside,
Yeah.
while the car is moving.
Yeah, just like a dash cam.
Just like a dash cam. And of course I have a dash cam as well, but they do sell dash cams with integrated design as well, because I have a sensor up front, so we decided not to. Alright, but actually you guys sell it, right?
Yes.
Now, the functions that my car is able to do now is mind-blowing. Let me tell you this, okay? Not just now you saw the 360 cam, but let me go through with you. I can now watch YouTube.
Yeah.
Right, I can Spotify, Netflix, and if I press my navigation button,
Yes.
and look at that familiar interface. What's that? Yes, guys, without even using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay of any sorts, I can now use Waze in my car. Okay, this is a godsend. Okay, and to go back, look at the touch sensitive menu. Okay, I can shut down, right? I can just shut down. To go back, look at that. Look at the transition of software. Of course, these are the creations of these boys. All right, it's their unique product. They can do an excellent work in integration. What other functions I have? Let's go through them.
Yeah, okay.
See, when he twists the MMI knob,
So
look at that. Look at that.
all is integrated and it's
Fantastic. All right.
Okay, and for this button control, you can still control the aircon.
You see that? When he turns the aircon knob, this pops up.
Yeah, so you don't need to look down from when you're driving.
It's brilliant. And not only that, you see,
Yeah.
when I rev my car,
Yeah, it's follow the RPM.
oh,
Very smooth. And for the brake, you can the brake release.
yep.
And then maybe turn off the headlight.
Oh, if I turn off the headlights, look at that. All these are integrated, but these are not just all of it. What they have done as well is that I can now plug in a hard disk. Inside there are two USB ports that comes with this, right?
Yeah.
I can now plug in a hard disk and play any movie I like.
And 4K video.
4K video without lag. That's what he
Yes.
said. He tells me, you know,
Yeah.
4K video without lag. You can see the resolution of the screen is very, very high res. And just now I tried the touch. Look at the transition. Look at that. Okay, it has a very powerful video card in it. Okay, this is lovely.
Okay, and then for the car, and then you open the door. You
Look
can
at that.
show the car
When you open the door, it shows.
the back.
Damn. Lovely.
Okay.
Okay, so all these are very, very well integrated, and this device you can even plug in a SIM card at the back,
Yeah, SIM card.
and my phone can even if you don't have an extra SIM card, you can use tethering. It has Wi-Fi. You can connect to your phone's Wi-Fi, and you can go online.
Yes, and then play YouTube, play everything.
And
Like
do.
you can try for the video.
Yep. They can do Spotify.
Okay, wait.
So
You can try for video.
now, for those of you who might say things like, Bobby, are you encouraging us to watch movies while driving? Let me tell you this: only idiots will keep watching and stop driving. All right? I will drive, but I don't mind some MTV playing here. I don't mind some lovely songs are being played here, you know. So I will have to go back but so far I look at the logic of the software is pretty alright. But look at that, it's playing videos, 4K video, right? Oh, look at that. Look at the resolution.
Sometimes it doesn't mean everybody.
This is full screen already, right? Does it expand?
Yeah.
Okay.
And all the button is working. You control
New York.
for the volume.
Yep, the steering volume controls still work. Oh, this is brilliant, man.
Sokovia.
Oh,
Okay, that's enough. Captain,
see that?
people are afraid.
Even though this is touchscreen, the MMI knob still is able to
That's
control
why I'm here.
that. Very smooth playback.
Maybe quick
Okay.
check.
Oh my god, this is serious entertainment. So I can sing karaoke inside
Yeah,
here.
can. Even you can connect the.
Uh-huh.
I mean the USB.
Yep.
The game controller.
Oh,
You can play like my customer is playing the PUBG or the Mobile Legend. on the
my
screen.
god, my god. And the navigation button, actually you can customize between Waze or Maps or
Yes.
Google Maps, right?
Yeah.
Is totally okay. Spotify works, and
YouTube.
YouTube.
You can try to play. Yeah, just
Oh, look at that. Look at who this fat monkey is. All right.
See what I have here?
Oh, this totally changes. Oh, look at that.
This
Very, very powerful
is the
video
new
card.
Renault Megane RS.
Okay, I guess by now you guys know how capable this system is already, alright? It totally transforms an older car. Of course, I mean, look at the European cars. I mean, Audi, BMW, Mercedes and all that, right? What you guys have done, you are giving a new life.
yes, give it a new life.
Right? It's actually, I mean, for those of us last time, we were like, okay, I have 6 CD changer, I have Bluetooth,
Yeah.
I have radio, and that's about it. But now, this is crazy, man. This matches our cars
Yeah.
with the modern ones.
Yeah, and then the new new system from the new interface from the new cars.
Yep.
You attach to the screen.
Yep.
Like BMW, you get the ID7, ID6.
The iDrive screen.
The Evo.
Oh,
Like
the new one, right?
Yeah,
The
the
new-
new one.
Yep,
will be
yep.
On the screen, and the Mercedes-Benz will be show like the MBUX.
MBUX.
The interface.
So that means if you have a Mini, right? They
Yeah.
will have a Mini interface. Okay, and Mini is crazier, right?
Yeah,
You guys have
the
the
whole thing.
rounded
Yeah.
thing, right? The
Yeah,
whole
from
rounded
the
thing.
analog, the analog meter,
Speedo, analog
become
speedo,
the
digital.
digital Android device. You can work on everything on the screen for all the infotainment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is mad. This is mad. So, if someone were to buy from you,
Yeah.
and then 2 years later they find that their software is old, they need an update,
Yeah, you can look it for me.
they can come back and look
Yeah,
for you guys.
yeah.
Any charges
No.
to update software?
For my own customer,
Yeah.
we didn't do no any charges.
You know, I used to sell PDAs in Mid Valley, and we also provide similar services. As long as you are my customer once, all right, you come back anytime,
Yeah.
we will give you software and technical support.
Yes.
And I came up with a term, which became very popular back then in Lau Yat, in Sunway. I came up with it. Lifetime software and technical support.
Yeah, and then if your car is
Can I say it's lifetime software, technical
Yes.
and support?
yes,
Right?
and if your car is under warranty,
Yeah.
you worry about when you upgrade this will what your warranty. What we can do is when you have to clean something from the factory, you can come back to me free, install back the original system. After finish the claim, you come back, I install back the screen for you. It's free.
Wow. Wow. So amazing technical support here, and I always think that anyone who sells these kind of devices should give, like what we said just now, you can consider it as lifetime software and technical support. I have one customer who asked me, Bobby, what do you mean by lifetime software technical support? Either you die or I close.
Or the car die.
Yeah. All right. So, like all electronics, warranty is 1 year, but do come back to them anytime if you are their customer. They are known for being very, very good in their after-sales service, and they have been selling these worldwide as well. And for Malaysians and Singaporeans, just because you get to meet the legend in person, go to Facebook or Instagram, contact them, make an appointment, get it changed.
Just search in the Facebook or Instagram DMP Car Design.
Yeah.
And you will saw us.
Okay, you look at this thing, okay? The kind of enjoyment it's going to bring you, okay? How much do you think it costs, right? 6,000 ringgit? 5,000? This is what,
About 2,700.
2,700 ringgit.
Yeah.
All right, but of course the 360 camera is another extra charge. Okay, so for my car, which converts it from a proximity sensor to a full 360 sensor, and then a camera system which records as well, and this total up bill is about 5,000 ringgit, right?
And then the car still can show the MMI menu, that the original from your car.
This is the original MMI menu. That means they never removed my car's old system. That means I can still go back to check my engine oil, to instrument cluster and all that. Okay, I can still adjust my exterior lighting, all that. And then to go back to the system, all we need to do,
touch the screen.
just touch the screen and we're back. You can see the transition. It is absolutely smooth.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, guys. So any other function that I haven't shown? Of course, you can do phone link, but you don't need phone link anymore.
Camera.
Okay, let's show the 360 camera. The functions, all right, the logics behind. Okay, so the 360 camera, which is mounted on my side mirror, on the front, on the back, is actually it has its own processor, and then when you install it, they need to actually put something in front and at the back and do calibration. So after the calibration, this is what it will look like. Now this one looks slightly distorted, is because I choose to mount it at a very, very low angle, but which I'm happy with it.
This is front, back.
You can see the little
side.
dot. You can see the little dot on top.
It's recording.
It is recording. All right.
Side, left,
Yep.
and right, and then you still can see the whole vision of the front.
Yep.
And the full vision of the back.
Yep.
And this is a 3D view.
My God, look at that. Now you can clearly see that's a BMW. Is because when they start developing this one, most their target would, of course, in terms of majority wise, they start with BMWs and Mercedes, because Audi has a lesser number. But moving on, you guys will have the new
Software
3D
update
rendering,
for
right?
the Audi.
Yes, they will have it. But to me, that's a non-issue.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
This is brilliant. So, yep, this is Daniel. Go like their Facebook page, DMP Car Design, and Instagram, DMP Car Design, and set your appointment. He's gonna fly to Singapore when.
No, I mean drive to Singapore.
Yeah, he's gonna drive to Singapore and install
Or
about 40 over customers.
It's an install tour. We always install from to many places.
Yep.
Like Penang, Ipoh, Singapore.
Yeah.
Coming soon, we'll go to Jakarta.
Oh.
And in the November, we are planning to the US for the installation.
That's
maybe
mad.
it's in Las Vegas or or somewhere there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So guys, yep, I'm happy with this. In the next 6 days during Evo Enduro, I'm gonna be singing in my car, watching videos, watching YouTube, doing all kinds of shenanigans, and I'm happy. Thank you, Daniel.
Thank you.
Yeah. Go do it, guys.